Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a game not using GPU in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. In here you just need to scroll down and find the game you want to use the graphics card for. If you can't able to find, then you just need to scroll up and select browse. Go to this PC. If you are using Epic Games, then you just need to go to local disk C, program files, find Epic Games. Here your games will be listed over here guys. For Steam users, you just need to go to C drive, program files x86, find a Steam folder, find a Steam apps folder, find a common folder. You just need to select the folder of the game you want to set a graphics card for. I'm gonna set for once human. And you just need to select the game exe file and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance and select save. And that's all you have to do it guys. Just to close stuff here and your problem solved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.